what's up? This is Yi, and today we're going to change spark plug on 2016 FRS. So what we're going to do first, we're going to take the fuel rail cover off, which is 2 bolts. There's going to be one right here. It's dark now, so I don't know if you can see. Let me get the light. Alright, there's going to be one right there. This one right here. And you're going to have to take off the fuel line bracket, just 1 bolt right here, total of 3 bolts. We're going to clip this fuel line. We're going to unclip the fuel line bracket right here. We're going to remove the fuel line bracket. Alright, we got the bracket off, the fuel line bracket off, and the bracket to hold the fuel line off. We did get both of the bolts that is holding this fuel rail bracket cover, you can say. Alright, we got the bracket that's holding the fuel line out. We also got the bracket that's holding the fuel line in out. Just this right here. And we also got the 2 bolt that's holding the fuel line cover out. Now we're gonna take this cover out, just kind of bend back and loosen that, pull up. It's kind of hard to do this with one hand. Hold on. Right. Now you see the coil pack, which this one's super dirty, so can't really tell. This is the one from the back, this is the one from the front, and they're both 10mm each. And once you get the 10mm out, you want to pull the front one off first, then you pull the second coil off. Oh man, my hands are not that small, so I can't really get my hand in there, so I can't take out the coil. I think busted my hand up. Anyways, I think it's 14mm for the spark plugs. So we're gonna stick the deep socket in first, and then we're gonna put the short attachment. Where's my short attachment? I just had it earlier. Oh, it's over here. I'm going to use my short attachment. I'm going to stick it in the hole and then try to clip it onto the 14mm socket, and then I'll put the ratchet in and then get it out. And then to pull out the spark plug, you do vice versa. Unfortunately, the battery died yesterday on the GoPro. It was pretty late too, so I called it a night. And today I'm gonna go ahead and start on the passenger side of the FRS doing the spark plug change. So what we need to do is we're gonna take out the ECU, which is 1, 2. There's 3 bolts. There's one down there which you can't see. Then we're gonna take off the 3 bolt, move the ECU, relocate the ECU towards the battery in the back. Here's the battery, and then we'll do the same process as we did on the driver's side. So there was 3 bolts. The bottom was pretty hard to get to if you don't have a small hand. It was pretty hard for me already. So this is 1 bolt, 2 bolt right here, and the 3rd one's on this bracket right here. Unclip this wire, this wire, this clip, and this clip down here. 1, 2, and 3. Got all 3 of this wire unclipped out, pushed out the way, just so I could, when you unbolt the ECU, which is 1 bolt, 2 bolt, the 3rd bolt is right here. Yeah, so whenever you unclip the ECU or unbolt the ECU, you could flip it over and put it back behind where the battery is. Now you have a little bit more room to get in there. As you can see the 2 coil pack in there. So we're just gonna do what we did on our driver's side. Take out the 2 10mm bolt, pull out the coil pack, and push it back. As the rear coil pack, when you pull it out, you just pull it out a little bit. You'll want to undo the take out the clip that plugs into it, which I couldn't do on the other side yesterday because it was too oily. And this side is pretty dry. So I'm gonna attempt that again. we got everything in. Got both the spark plug swapped out. We're gonna plug everything else back in. Yes, goes here. Quite hard to do it one hand. I have to move these back up so I can get the ECU back over. Let's get this one over first. This one. Alright. Okay, the ECU's back. Let's plug this in. Okay, let's try this one again. There you go. Now all we have to do is bolt this ECU back on like this, and then we're done. I'm gonna start the bottom one first, since that's the hardest one to get to. Alright guys, that wraps it up. All you gotta do is put everything back in order the way you take it off, and that's how you change a spark plug on the 2016 FRS BRZ.